The usage of pictures in Excel has been available for many years. A recent enhancement now allows a picture to serve as the actual cell value. This feature ensures that the image remains linked to the cell even if the layout of the sheet is altered. With this capability, you can seamlessly incorporate images into tables, sort and filter data, and include them in formulas. Picture in Cell lets users insert their own pictures or pictures from the web. Let's insert an image from this device. Select the cell where you want to place the picture in your Excel spreadsheet. Navigate to the Insert tab. In the Illustrations group, click on Pictures and select Picture in Cell. Choose from this device to select image from your computer. Select the desired image to insert, and they will appear within the selected cell. Now, the inserted picture can be resized, moved, hidden, and filtered along with its associated cell. Let's explore how to add pictures from Bing Image Search or from stock images directly into your Excel spreadsheet. In the Illustrations group, click on Pictures and select Picture in Cell, then choose Online Pictures. A window will appear, allowing you to either type your desired search term into the search box or browse different image categories. Browse through the search results and click on the picture you prefer to select it, then click Insert. Alternatively, you can insert images from stock images, which offer a wide range of images, icons, illustrations, and stickers to choose from. To insert an image from stock images, simply click on the desired picture and press Insert. With these straightforward steps, you can easily enhance your Excel spreadsheet by incorporating images from Bing Image Search or stock images to visualize your data effectively. In the top right corner, you'll find an icon depicting a placement option. Clicking on this icon allows you to toggle between placing the image directly in the cell or placing it over the cell. To directly paste a picture from the clipboard into a cell, select Paste Picture in Cell on the Home tab or in the right-click context menu. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Excel tips.